in today's class, we'll discuss 3 marks question from board and 1 question from any competitive exam, that is galvanometer and its conversion from galvanometer to ammeter and galvanometer to voltmeter. So let us start with galvanometer. Galvanometer is an instrument from which we can check presence and direction of current. How the symbol of galvanometer is this. G is to be written. That galvanometer will have some resistance. Its construction and all that we'll discuss in the next class. But today I am going to discuss ammeter and conversion from galvanometer to ammeter. What is an ammeter? Ammeter is a device which is used to measure current. Ammeter is a device that should be connected in series and its resistance is an ideal ammeter have zero resistance, that has zero resistance, and that is to be connected in series. How will you convert that? To convert galvanometer G into ammeter A, we have to decrease its resistance, and because an ideal ammeter have zero resistance. Zero is not possible, minimum is possible, so we should decrease its resistance. How will you decrease resistance of that galvanometer? We need to connect a low resistance parallel to that, because if you connect resistance parallel to a given resistor, then equivalent becomes less. So there is a galvanometer whose resistance is G and a low resistance that is called shunt is to be connected parallel to the galvanometer this way. Now suppose I current is flowing through the galvanometer, that will divide into 2 parts. Through galvanometer the current flowing is Ig, the remaining current will be I minus Ig. So what will be the value of resistance for which range? That can be calculated. They are in parallel. So potential difference about that galvanometer is equal to potential difference about that shunt. So you will write V is equal to Ig into G. What is G? G is resistance of galvanometer. So V is equal to IR. I is Ig, current through galvanometer, into resistance of galvanometer, that is equal to I minus Ig into S. Therefore S is equal to, that is shunt resistance. Shunt means low resistance. So shunt resistance S will be equal to Ig into capital G upon I minus Ig. That is value, formula of shunt resistance, that is to be converted parallel to the galvanometer while converting into ammeter. Symbol of ammeter is A. Now how will you convert galvanometer into voltmeter? Voltmeter is a device which is used to measure potential difference or EMF. Symbol of voltmeter is this, that will measure magnitude of potential difference, that should be connected in parallel, that is to be connected parallel to the load. And it's an ideal voltmeter have infinite resistance. Infinite is not possible, but maximum is possible. So how will we convert galvanometer into voltmeter. We should increase resistance of it. So we need to connect a high resistance R series with a galvanometer, because if you will connect that resistance series with it, then definitely its resistance will increase, and resistance should be high. Let Ig current is flowing through that, and the resistance of galvanometer is G. Potential difference about it is V, suppose. Its equivalent is V. The symbol of voltmeter is V. So how will you calculate that V? As V is equal to IR. So I, current Ig plus total resistance. Total resistance is G plus R. So resistance R will be equal to V upon Ig minus capital G. So in this way we can calculate resistance to be connected series with a galvanometer while converting into voltmeter. Let us solve an example. Convert a galvanometer into of resistance 100 ohm, which shows full scale deflection at 1 milliampere, into a meter of range 0 to 2 ampere and voltmeter of range 0 to 10 volt. So let us see. How will you convert a galvanometer into a meter? By connecting a shunt low resistance parallel to the galvanometer. So here you have galvanometer and you need to connect a shunt parallel to that. What will be the value of shunt? How will you calculate? S is equal to Ig capital G upon I minus Ig. What is I? The maximum, the range is 2 ampere. What is G? It is 100 ohm. What is Ig? That is 1 milliampere. That is 10 to the power minus 1, 0.01. Take all these values here. So that is 0.001. That is 1 milliampere into a meter. G is 100 ohm divided by I minus Ig. So I is very small as compared to 0.001. So therefore that can be neglected. So that becomes 0.1 upon 2. 0.1 upon 2. So this is equal to around 0.05 ohm. 0.1 upon 2, that is 0.0 ohm. Parallel to galvanometer. So in this way you will write, these are given data. This is formula to calculate S, and this S, this shunt should be connected parallel to the galvanometer in this way. To convert this galvanometer into a meter of this range, what you will do? You have to connect a high resistance series with it. And what will be that high resistance? R will be equal to, what was your formula? V is equal to Ig G plus R. So R will be equal to V upon Ig minus capital G. What is V? V is 10. What is Ig? 0.01 minus G. What is G? That is 100. So this will be equal to 10 to the power 4. 10,000 minus 100. So that will be equal to 9900 ohm series with galvanometer. So this is the way to converting this galvanometer into ammeter and voltmeter. So this kind of problem are very common, that can be asked in your board exam as well as different competitive exam. So you need to understand and you need to practice these kind of problems. In tomorrow's lecture, I'll discuss torque and what is the construction of galvanometer and types of galvanometer. Thank you so much.